Over the course of my program in educational technology, I have learned several tools that are quite useful in a classroom. Today I will be discussing how you can use screencast technology within your classroom. So one example that I'm going to use is when you want to present material to your students and model for them what you are expecting of them. So if I had students who were going to be starting a paper using Google Docs, and I wanted to remind them how to format their paper and what should be included in their header. On my screen, I would start typing my name, the teacher's name, and the date. So then, to my students in the screencast, I would say, remember, we want to use Times New Roman as our font, and we want it to be a good size, so we're going to use size 12. And one more thing we want to do is make sure that our line spacing is double. Then you are ready to start your paper. So by creating this short clip of formatting their paper, my students could easily have a refresher on what they need to do, how they need to format it, and also if it is in a blended classroom or a flipped classroom or even a regular classroom. When I provide my students with this video, it's easy for them to go back at any point and make sure that their product matches the expectations I have for them. Screencasting is also great not only to provide tutorials for your students, but you can create other types of videos from your computer that you want to provide your students, or even if you maybe did a video call with an expert in the field that was not available during the school day, but you could call them after school and then record the conversation to allow your students to interact with it later on. These are all great ways to use screencast technology, and there are many more.